Good morning. Could you please... Do you sell this?
No, sir. Those are not my chickens. I had mine there.
Sir, I sell chickens at the best price, not like her. Look!
This is not mine. I also sell at a very good price. In fact, I'll give you a
Well-deserved
discount.
that they got it.
$1.25.
Security.
Well, what do you think?
No, you cannot buy chickens from her. She paints the chickens. Look.
I can't believe it. I'm going to call the health department right now to shut down this business.
I didn't do that either.
Sell me 2 chickens, please.
With pleasure. Here you go. That would be $25.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you very much.
Come back. Those are not my chickens.
Security? Security?
What happened?
Look!
That's not true, officer. You have to believe me, please.
I can't believe you are capable of doing that. Luckily, I had this in my hands.
Join me!
No, please.
Chickens! Chickens! Get your tasty and delicious chickens at the best price. Chickens.
Katerine, is that you?
Yes, Mrs. Carmen, it's me. How many chickens do you want to take?
Really? Can you give me a really big one, please?
Oh, of course, Mrs. Carmen.
I don't know how to make the officer believe that I didn't do that. I can't afford to lose my job.
Here you go, Mrs. Carmen. Juicy and heavy just as you like it.
I knew that old lady had played dirty with me.
Yes, dear, thank you so much.
Satran, that cheater is going to hear from me.
That woman passes by here at this time.
Oh, here it comes. Miss, do me a favor. Sell me 2 more chickens.
Sure thing. With pleasure. I'll pack them for you right away. I'm sure I dropped them on the way. Hang on a sec. I'll be right back. Ready. I'll pack the chickens for you. What happened here? These aren't my chickens!
That's what you get for being sneaky.
I'm going to call the police so they can take you away for being deceitful, trying to shut my business down with tricks.
You have no proof of anything!
Oh, isn't it? Security!
What happened? Miss, tell me what you're doing here again.
I need you to see something. You didn't want to believe me, but here is all the evidence of the truth.
Also, here are other proofs of what she sold me.
Oh, please! The world is for the living, not for fools!
Now he will pay for everything he did. I don't know how he was able to deceive me too. Miss, forgive me for not believing you and for giving you a hard time. But from today, you can return to your position.
Thank God I didn't lose my job.
Let go of me!
God doesn't favor cheaters, only good people.
Let me go! Let me go!